What's up, online shoppers? I just got gifted this really great 3-pack of natural oil absorbing sheets. They are bamboo and charcoal based, super absorbent, and makeup friendly. Let's open them up and see how they work. Now they have multiple different packages. You can get these in 1-packs, 3-packs, and also 6-packs. This is the first time that I have seen this product, although I've definitely been thinking about it. I love that these are like a travel friendly size. This could definitely fit inside of my purse, really easy, and not take up a lot of space, but be there conveniently when I want it. So we all have those times when our faces are extra shiny and we want to get rid of the oil. This package is also pretty thoughtfully designed. You open up the flap and you just give this a little tug, and it pulls out the sheet for you one at a time. That's really nice. Then you just have to close it up and you can pop this back in your purse. Now there are 100 sheets in each one of these little packages. These work to absorb the oil on your skin and take away all that shininess and just leave you feeling refreshed and shine free. I think it's great because when I get sweaty and my makeup starts to look like it needs a touch up, this is an easy touch up that doesn't require any makeup application afterwards. Now these are made of bamboo charcoal and they are a really powerful absorbent. Another thing I like about these is when I use them, I don't feel like my skin gets overly dry. It just takes away the shine that I don't want to see. Now that we've had a close-up on the product, I'm just going to show you how they work. You simply just put them on your forehead, give it a little rub like that, and it absorbs the oil right off your skin. Now you can just keep applying it until you've used it all over your face and you've used up all of the spots on the paper, any of those shiny points that you don't want glaring back at other people. You can see that it's definitely picking up the oil, but it's just leaving a nice, fresh, matte finish along any area that I have rubbed it. Now don't forget, you've actually got 2 sides of the sheet. So you can actually apply it on one side and then use it on the other side to absorb the rest of the oils. This is really impressive. I didn't know my face was that oily, so that's kind of something. But I do love this. I think I'm gonna really enjoy the convenience of having this in my purse and the convenience of being able to just look fresher because I've taken off all the shininess from my face. I'm impressed with this product. I think it's really cool. I love that it comes from charcoal and bamboo, although they do have one that's green tea as well, and I'm gonna give that one a try also. But I love that it comes from ingredients that I recognize, like bamboo and charcoal. I love that it's a convenient pack for my purse. Good number of them in here. 100 is a lot. It's gonna take me a while to go through that. I think it's a really nice size. I still haven't used up all of the paper, but I feel like I've probably gotten rid of most of the shine. And it's easy to just discard this and feel like you're not harming the environment. Overall, I'm impressed with the quality of these Zorom's oil absorbing bamboo charcoal sheets, and I'm thinking that these are going to be family favorites at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.